There is not a single person on this earth who has ever seen an event like the one we are going to witness on April 8, 2024. NASA is calling it a total eclipse because of how long it is going to stay. Well, this eclipse could be a new happening or just a solar event for the rest of the world. The Prophet has guided us quite well in this matter. The solar total eclipse has really been a huge news. People are taking it as an exciting solar event. Its timing also makes this event quite exciting, since it is happening after around 220 years and will most probably not happen for the next 375 years or so. Is this that exciting? Really, Muslims, Christians, and Jews, in fact, everyone is looking at this event as a benign, insignificant event. But that is not true, brothers and sisters. The sun eclipses after hundreds of years, when the sun, the earth, and the moon come to a very precise arrangement. The moon covers the light of the sun and blocks its way. Narrated by Abu Hurairah, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The hour will not be established until the sun rises from the west, and when the people see it, then whoever will be living on the surface of the earth will have faith, and that is the time when no good will it do to a soul to believe then, if it believed not before. They did not know it was their last Ramadan. So what excuse do we have now? Did you know that the sun eclipsed in the lifetime of the Prophet? And that too on the same day as his son Ibrahim died. People started seeing that the sun has eclipsed in sorrow and grief. What Prophet did is an example for all of us to follow. Narrated, in the lifetime of Allah, the sun eclipsed, so he led the people in prayer, and then finished the prayer. By then the sun eclipse had cleared. He delivered the khutbah, and after praising and glorifying Allah, he said, the sun and the moon are two signs against the signs of Allah. They do not eclipse on the death or life of anyone. So when you see the eclipse, remember Allah, offer prayers, and give sadaqah. O followers of Muhammad, if you know what I knew, you would laugh little and weep much. Christian scholars are also talking about the eclipse as a sign of something important. They believe this could be the sign that Jesus has already said Islam is about to arrive. That the truth is that first, Imam Mahdi will arrive. There will be utter chaos all around. Then after that the Ummah will unite. And a great army of fighters will be organized by Imam Mahdi. Besides, the Prophet has told us through his Sunnah and Hadiths what we should do when there is a solar eclipse. We should pray to the Almighty. This prayer is called the Salat of Kusuf. The way in which Salat al-Kusuf is done is to pray 2 rakats, in which the Quran has recited aloud. According to the Hadith reported by Hazrat Aisha, the Prophet did not leave the prayer until the darkness had completely gone. He kept on making the dua, asking for mercy and forgiveness from the Almighty. When the Prophet did not take it casually, how can we get excited about the solar eclipse, which is nothing but a sign from Allah? We should treat it very seriously and maintain our conduct according to the Hadiths and Sunnah. May Allah forgive us all. May Allah make us worthy of facing Him when the day of judgment arrives.